In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQ, that is Pakistan Public Service Commission 2017 MCQs. Let G be a group of order 13, that is prime. Then solution, that is theorem number 1. Every group of prime order is cyclic group. So option A, G is not cyclic, false. Second theorem, that is every cyclic group is an abelian group. So option B, G is non-abelian, false. Option C, that is G is commutative. So option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.